I am going to start painting the second layer to my abstract expressionist painting. You saw me paint the first layer, it's dry. If you're wondering what this white spot is, I wasn't very careful, and so a water droplet ended up on there, and it just took away the paint from that spot. I'm not gonna try to cover it with this orange, but I will cover it up as I'm painting today. So mistakes are fine, they can easily be covered. My background is not very dark. It's kind of a medium value. I'm going to be painting my second layer in lighter values today. I have my palette, I have a water cup, I already have some brushes soaking because they got dirty. I have all the I need. The brushes I normally would use, I left at school, so I'm using my own brushes today. One reminder, as you are painting, we mixed complements to make neutrals. We did this a week ago. You have chosen one of these complements. So you are either using orange and blue, you may have chosen red and green, or yellow and violet. I chose orange and blue. So I can use any color that orange and blue can make. Which, this beautiful color is when I mixed orange with blue. Added some white to it. You will not see red in my painting. You will not see yellow. You will not see green, and you will not see purple. I am using just this top complementary pair. Again, you can use white and black. So I have white and black on my palette. When you add white to a color, it makes it lighter. When you add black to a color, it makes it darker. And when you add gray, white and black, you get a tone. So I have my blue, I don't have my orange yet. I'm gonna mix that right now. Remember, you wanna be good stewards of your paint. Unfortunately, we didn't have class yesterday. We're not in person today, so I couldn't refill paint. All right, I got a good orange. There's a lot on my brush. I want to squish it off. I don't want to waste it. I might just use it right away to mix. I'm going to mix a really light color. I'm probably going to add a little bit of blue into that. Oh, there's still so much on here. Look at all that. So I'm going to kind of squish it off. Oh, get it off my finger. Another reminder, acrylic paint, if it gets on you, it can stain. So you're at home today, wear a shirt you don't care about. Push up your sleeves like I have with my sweater. I'm actually gonna sit while I paint. Let me grab a chair. This layer, I am also going to be using the planning sheet that I completed. If you turn this in, I wrote notes on it so you guys could get some feedback. The drawings that I saw were chef's kiss, amazing. I am going to start to incorporate some of these lines, shapes. I'm going to think about how I'm going to put them into my painting. So I have this here. I know I want a lighter blue. So I'm going to mix that. I haven't used just blue yet. So I am going to do that today. And I'm actually just going to start with that. Remember, abstract expressionism, you're thinking, but you're not. You're also just being spontaneous. You could put the music on that you chose and listen to that while you're painting. So I'm just going to get started here. So you can see I had this line kind of on my drawing. Your shapes can be smooth, they can be rough. It's however you want to do this. I just do not want to see any objects. Just like when I painted the background, you can mix right on here. So I'm actually just going to pick up some white. We'll kind of pull that into part of it. So it's just kind of going to mix in as I'm painting. I will probably repeat this line a couple of times. As I'm painting, I'm also thinking about my composition. I don't want everything in the middle. I want it to go off the edges. I want it to work together. This is just my second layer. There's going to be more added on top. So I'm going to paint for a little bit here, and I'm just going to speed up my recording. We'll do a little time lapse.